I'm standing on the banks of Lake Geneva. At the back, you can see Mount Alps. It's so beautiful. It's a gorgeous view, and this is such a beautiful, fascinating place. If there's any heaven on earth, it is here. In this episode, I shall take you to Lake Geneva and the city of Montreux in Switzerland. Lake Geneva is a crescent-shaped lake shared between France and Switzerland. It is the largest freshwater lake in Western Europe. The lake is a popular tourist destination, offering various activities and attractions. Situated on the north side of the Alps, it is the second largest lake in Central Europe. Its water is so clear that fish can be seen swimming near the shore. The lake is known for its scenic beauty, waterfront promenades, boat tours, and various recreational activities. Major cities on Swiss side of the lake include Geneva, Lausanne, and Montreux. During my visit to Lake Geneva, I spent a lot of time in Montreux. This is a breathtaking resort town in the Vaud region of Switzerland. Often known as the Pearl of the Swiss Riviera, it boasts a mild climate, world-class music festivals, historical landmarks, and spectacular lake and mountain views. This amazingly beautiful place has long been a retreat for artists, musicians, and writers. Actor Charlie Chaplin spent his final years and died in Vevey, which is a very small town close to Montreux. There is a memorial statue of him along the promenade. Charlie Chaplin's home in Vevey is now a museum of his life and career. Actors including Peter Ustinov, Richard Burton, and Audrey Hepburn all lived in villages on the shores of the lake. David Bowie, the singer, moved to a chalet to the north of Lake Geneva in 1976, which inspired him to take up painting. Pop singer Phil Collins lives in a home overlooking the lake. A statue of singer Freddie Mercury, who also owned a second home in Montreux, stands on the northern side of the lake. Writer Vladimir Nabokov also took residence in Montreux, where he died in 1977. Former Formula One driver Michael Schumacher lives with his family in a home overlooking the lake. Vladimir Lenin rented a little chalet at the French bank near Geneva. The Montreux train station appears in the opening scene of the 1971 James Bond film Diamonds Are Forever. The Montreux Jazz Festival is celebrated here every year. Founded in 1967, this world famous festival has hosted legends like Miles Davis, Prince, David Bowie, and Deep Purple. Though originally a jazz event, it now features a wide range of music genres, making it one of the most prestigious musical festivals in the world. From the banks of Lake Geneva, I could see four persons rowing a long boat. This was a spectacular and stunning view. They were rowing the boat in a perfect harmony and synchronization. I could also see many cyclists and tourists having a great time here. It was fascinating to see so many beautiful flowers here. On the rocks below, I could see a group of young men and women chilling out and enjoying the beauty of nature. Indeed, they were having a wonderful time there. Nearby, I could see two ducks playing around. After enjoying the stunningly beautiful views here, I went to the nearby McDonald's. I hope you like this video. For more beautiful episodes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Around the Globe by Sathyan Achath. Thank you.